Welcome to this C tutorial guys. In this tutorial we will learn how to write the code in order to convert degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. So let's begin. So first of all here I will add a new file under the lab 3 because I'm covering lab 3 which is based on float data type, and here I will write the title for this task as a comment. So I'm writing temperature conversion from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, and I will also write the formula here as well. So on the second line, I am writing the formula as a comment. Basically the formula is degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree Celsius multiplied by 9 by 5 plus 32. So let's write the code in order to convert degree C to degree F. So first of all, I am adding here standard input output library. So I have written hash include stdio.h, and after that I am writing here the main function which is int main, and in between these curly brackets we use to write the code. So first of all, I am defining the variables. So since we are dealing with the float data type, that's why I have written here float, and we need two variables C and F, and after that I am typing here semicolon. Basically C is for degree Celsius, then F is for degree Fahrenheit, and here I'm writing the comment that I have defined these variables. Okay, so we need to take input from user. So here I'm writing printf, and I want the user to enter the temperature in degree C so that we can convert it into degree F. And we know that we use scanf function in order to take the user input. And we know that we are dealing with the float data type. So as a format specifier, I will write here %f, and after the inverted comma, I will put a comma and C. Now let's run this code in order to see if we have make any error or the code is correct. And as you can see in the terminal, it is asking us the user input, which means the code is correct. And here I'm adding a comment, user input or temperature input. Basically adding comments in code is an optional step, but it is always advisable to add comments. Okay. We have took the user input, and now it's time to make some calculations. So here I am writing the same formula here. So I am writing here F, and make sure to write here capital F because we have defined capital F in defining the variables, and we have to multiply C with 9 by 5 plus 32, and after the line I am adding semicolon because this is the syntax of the C, and here I am adding a comment calculation. Now let's run this code. I'm just running this code in order to see if we have make any mistake or not, and our code is correct yet until this point. And now it's time to print the value of the temperature in degree Fahrenheit. So I'm typing here the temperature in degree Fahrenheit is, and here I will type the format specifier. So I'm typing here %f, and after the inverted comma I will type a comma, and I have to call this F, which means Fahrenheit. Now let's run this code, and as you can see in the terminal we have to type here the value for temperature in degree Celsius, which I have written 45, and it has converted in degree Fahrenheit. So that's how we convert the temperature from degree C to degree F. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.